with breaking news. A police-involved shooting is closing down Boulder Highway near Russell Road. Let's get right out to 13 Action News reporter Austin Carter, who's live on the scene. And Austin, what do we know so far?
Well, Jackie, details are pretty limited right now. We're actually waiting for someone from Metro Police to come out here and to give us some more information about what exactly went down out here today and what exactly led up to this officer-involved shooting. I did speak with a woman just a little bit ago who tells me she was inside this complex here behind me when that shooting happened. She tells me she heard about 15 to 20 gunshots earlier today. But I'm going to step out of the way here right now so we can get you a look at the scene here at the Sienna Suites. This is on Boulder Highway near Russell. You can see Metro Police still out here at this hour investigating this, and that crime scene tape is up as well. So again, as I said earlier, we're waiting for someone from Metro Police to come out here and talk to us about exactly what happened here this afternoon. But Metro also just had another officer involved shooting just a few days ago. That's when they say a man lunged at them. Those officers they were then forced to fire, killing that suspect. So again, once we get any new information about exactly what happened out here today, we will keep that posted for you on our website at ktmv.com. We are expecting someone from Metro Police to come out here to give us some more of those details. But as you can see also here behind me, those northbound lanes on Boulder Highway, those are closed right now as officers investigate this. The southbound lanes, though, on Boulder Highway, those are open for you if you are traveling this evening. Reporting live tonight, I'm Austin Carter, 13 Action News.
All right, good.
Lucas. He is a 42-year-old white male adult, 5'9", 195 pounds. He is pictured to my right. You can see his photo. The suspect's weapon was a Umarex CO2 steel Storm Uzi 177 caliber BB gun. And a second weapon was an H&K MP5 177 caliber BB gun submachine gun. The photos are on the screen.
Airfield.
And be advised, he has a submachine gun type weapon, it looks like, pointed right towards us.
A still photo, obviously, from the helicopter, our air unit video.
All right, he's got the gun in his hand again. He's pointing it. There, 2 shots may have been fired. He just dropped the gun and ducked down running south towards the south stairway.
Fired. Copy, shots fired.
We're moving up right now. I need everybody to go. He's by the window. He's by the door.
He just ran down the south stairwell. He's down the bottom floor of the south stairwell. Hey, right over there, dude.
We have units heading down that way. Watch your fire, please.
Fuck.
Shots fired! I got you.